Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming permissions and 2FA so you won't stall during changes. Once done, open the IMS Dashboard URL and choose Company SSO or enter username and password. After authentication, immediately pick the correct environment, prod versus staging, because actions apply to that dataset. Make sure your browser pop-ups and cookies are allowed, then wait for the main navigation to load. This prevents accidental edits and saves time when you move to the configuration step. Now you'll navigate the left menu to reach modules, filters, and reports. This is where you tailor the dashboard to your task. Once there, create or load a saved view and apply filters like date range, user, or status so the dataset matches your goal. After filtering, customize columns and sort order to surface priority fields, then save the configuration as a default view for repeatability. Doing these steps reduces manual work and ensures consistent reporting across sessions. Finish by performing your actions. Run bulk updates or single-item edits. Always confirm in the preview pane before applying to avoid mistakes. Once edits are complete, export results as CSV or XLSX or schedule automated reports for stakeholders. If something fails, make sure you have the right permissions, clear your browser cache, and retry the operation. If it still fails, capture the error message and contact your admin. This approach closes the loop and keeps data integrity intact.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.